Carlo. Carlo, ano na?
Ay, nako.
Ano na?
We're gonna keep it like
Don't
this.
lie down. You lie on top of it.
No, I was actually thinking about, like, sitting-wise.
Oh. Ano yan?
Talaga?
Sitting?
Yeah.
Landong.
Carlo!
Lap.
Oh!
that?
Pwede.
Hindi. Mahirap din yun, no?
Hindi, look.
Look, talaga.
Like, if you,
Miss, ano yun?
Cheryl.
Miss.
Just here.
One here, one here.
No, it's more comfortable for you. Ay, nako.
Ano na? Ang sakit sa liig na. Di ba, ano?
Sobrang sakit sa leg.
Housemates. Dahil malalapit na ang araw
Oh, we should make like pillows and like arranged pillows. So
For that
one
position.
person can lie or something, and then the pillows just go on.
Tingin ko isa ganito.
Oo.
Tapos yung kabila ganyan.
I don't get it.
No, I don't know.
But I don't know if it's
Di
gonna
okay
work.
lang kasi we can like replace each other naman eh.
Oo.
Like mga 3 or 4 cycles pa to.
So, ano?
3 or 4
Huwag na daw,
cycles.
kasi-
Pagkatapos niyan, ikaw at subigan. You can't get out na.
Oh no, watch me get out. Lola, I'll buy you a fan.
No, but you can't give them a.
Yeah.
Surprise. Ay, hindi alam ni Denise, no?
No, but they don't know pa.
Hindi mo alam, Denise?
Alam mo na.
Alin?
Hindi lang to para sa'yo.
Alin?
Dito ka. Hindi lang to para sa electric fan, Denise.
Tungkol saan?
Tingnan mo naman ako. Para din to sa ano.
Para saan?
Para sa... Tingnan mo po.
Ayoko!
Para may surprise na date to AD. CR. May surprise na date ibibigay si Kuya sa kanila.
Bukod dun sa ventilador. Like, ano? Alam niya na? Alam niya na?
We know, pero
You can't tell pa.
no, we can tell, pero we chose not to.
Kasal, hindi kasal.
Oh, ako.
Ay, nako.
Hindi ko alam.
It could be anything. It could be. I hope so.
Ako rin, gusto ko maging flower girl.
That's why I'm a
Ay,
flower
pa
girl.
mo.
Yeah. I'll be best man.
Flower girl.
That's how I will. Oh, we could play I Spy.
Akala ko ice. Past ice.
Or it's, ano,
Pasta ice.
2G.
Dapat mo alam yun.
Oh,
Hindi ko alam yun. Ano ba yun?
Ako rin.
Paano yun?
Past ice.
Oo nga.
Don't know that.
What is it?
Hindi ko nga alam. Hindi ko nga alam. Pasta ice na yan.
Yeah, pasta ice.
Sige. Past the ice.
Dito? Diba? Tapos ganon. Ano na
Mouth now.
iniisip mo?
Mouth. How are you gonna play it with that?
No.
Ano?
Wala lang.
it's hurting your neck. Sit up straight. Oh, sit properly. Is that better? Is that better? Yeah? A bit? Is that better? Sure?
Kape ka kasi ng kape.
Dalawang beses lang
I mean, you could talk.
I said sugar water.
Uh-oh.
Hindi, pero ikaw.
Oh, see.
Okay ka lang po,
More comfortable for you.
Lola, okay ka lang?
Don't. Wait, don't do that.
Huwag na ganyan ang sakit sa leeg mo yan.
No, I'm okay.
Hindi ka okay.
I'm okay.
Ano ako sa'yo?
Ano yan?
Hanapin ako ng word.
Ba't ka nanginginig? Ba't nanginginig yung...
Nakapikit talaga siya eh.
Nakabigit? Inaantok yan. Uy.
That feels good.
Carlo! Ano ba to?
Oo, diba?
Tutulog ka?
Hindi. Just thinking about how it would be without this.
Ewan ko sa'yo, charotero.
Nakikiliti daw siya sa ano mo. Si Denise nakikiliti sa bigote mo.
Oo, ano ba yun, Carlo? Mag-shave ka muna.
The gold glitters gets everywhere.
I wash my face.
Hindi kasi husam yung mga naiisip ko eh.
Saan yung wish ay? Ano to?
I asked if your neck is comfortable.
Kanda yan eh.
Okay ka?
Wish ay.
Okay ako, hindi ka okay.
I'm okay.
Tingnan ko position na medyo husam.
Wish
I'll let
I
you know
goes
when
by.
you need some.
Okay.
Kanta yan. Nakulog mo yung tunog. I wish I could be the one. The one who could give me love. Nagkakita ako.
May kumanta sa'yo ng ganyan?
Wala. Lagi ko lang yung kinakanta sa video ko eh.
Ramo, you shouldn't do that. I got in trouble last time.
Ikaw?
4? Oh no.
Writing.
Oh.
Yes, Tami.
Wala lang.
Kuya talaga. Alam niyo naman eh.
Diba? Valentine's Day yung title niyan, diba? 214. Am I real or February 14?
Am I real?
At February 14 din.
Pwede. Pero am I real yung totoo, diba? Sinabi nila.
Am I real?
Ano yan? Wala. Kakabaliw dito. Ako din. I think I'm gonna cut this off soon.
Look into my eyes and you would know.
Kika.
The love I have for you Mama.
Carla, what time did you start again?
50?
Okay.
Walang nag-order pa.
Ilan kasi?
Anong oras na?
33.
30.
Oh wow.
Pangit naman na Valentine's.
Time flies when you're waiting for.
Ano?
Bukas pa Valentine's.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Oo.
Second session.
Tingin ko mas marami mamayang gabi o bukas.
Okay.
Umaga.
Ako din.
Most likely.
Because the people want it delivered on Valentine's Day.
Cause if you look into my
Pero
eyes and you
24
should
hours
know.
na later.
I think, yeah. Actually, please order some flowers. We shall give
Yeah, I
you
love you.
shirts and personalized cards.
I'll give you a flying kiss.
Kasi wala na nga PBB sa labas. Tayo-tayo
Oo
na lang
nga.
dito naglalaro.
Naniniwala.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Joya, come on, I know you want a flower.
Hoy, Joya, hoy, Roy, bumili kayo.
Kuya Roy! Kuya Ulad!
Yung mga taga rito, Jericho,
Jericho!
bumili ka.
Baka sobrang mahal.
Like
Sakit na
$5.
leeg.
Aba, mahal kaya ang bulaklak.
Ang sakit na leg mo. Nagiling ka na eh.
That's why. And especially because
Trying to think of what my
here,
move would be now.
it's gonna be expensive.
No, pero, ano, comfortable ka?
Go. I wish we have the same size clothes.
Kasi sa leeg, di ba? Bakit
Ayaw?
ganun?
Bakit?
So I can wear that jacket.
Oh,
No, it doesn't look good on me.
subukan mo, it's small.
No. All the things that I want to wear don't fit me. Because they're all for men. See? I look like a little boy without
You
titties.
look like Justin Bieber for a concert.
Oh my. Take it away. I'll kill you now. Justin Bieber. Trying to look.